Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a subject close to the hearts of many: financial success. If you've ever wondered how to become wealthy or financially independent, you are in the right place. In this video, we'll explore the top 3 books that can serve as your roadmap to financial prosperity. Why read books on wealth? Before we dive into our book recommendations, let's discuss why reading is such a powerful tool for wealth building. Books provide knowledge, insights, and strategies that can empower you to make informed financial decisions and pave the way to financial independence. Book number 1. Rich Dad Poor Dad, by Robert Kiyosaki. Our first book recommendation is Rich Dad Poor Dad, by Robert Kiyosaki. This book is not just a bestseller, it's a financial education guide that has changed the lives of many readers worldwide. Lesson number 1. The power of financial education. Kiyosaki's Rich Dad encourages us to seek financial education and to understand the difference between assets and liabilities. It's an eye-opener that teaches us how to make our money work for us, rather than working for money. Lesson number 2. The importance of entrepreneurship. The book also emphasizes the value of entrepreneurship and the creation of passive income streams. It challenges the conventional, go to school, get a job, work hard, and save mindset that many of us are raised with. Book number 2. The Millionaire Next Door, by Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko. Our second book recommendation is The Millionaire Next Door, by Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko. This book provides a unique perspective on wealth, revealing the habits and traits of everyday millionaires. Lesson number 3. The power of frugality. One key lesson from The Millionaire Next Door is that many millionaires are not living extravagant lifestyles. Instead, they practice frugality and budgeting, which allows them to accumulate wealth over time. Lesson number 4. The importance of long-term planning. The book also underscores the importance of setting long-term financial goals and consistently saving and investing to achieve them. It's a reminder that wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. Book number 3. Think and Grow Rich, by Napoleon Hill. Our final book recommendation is a timeless classic, Think and Grow Rich, by Napoleon Hill and published in 1937. This book has been a source of inspiration for generations of wealth seekers. Lesson number 5. The power of positive thinking. Hill's book teaches us the power of positive thinking and the influence of our thoughts on our financial success. It encourages us to cultivate a wealth mindset and believe in our ability to achieve wealth. Lesson number 6. The importance of goal setting. One of the most powerful takeaways from Think and Grow Rich is the idea of setting clear, specific financial goals. Hill outlines a practical method for turning desires into reality through goal setting. Additional books to explore. While we've highlighted our top 3 book recommendations, there are many more valuable books on wealth building. Here are a few additional titles to consider. The Richest Man in Babylon, by George S. Clason. The Total Money Makeover, by Dave Ramsey. The 4-Hour Workweek, by Timothy Ferriss. The Compound Effect, by Darren Hardy. Your Money or Your Life, by Vicki Robin and Joe Dominguez. Reading these books is just the first step. To truly become wealthy, it's essential to put the knowledge you gain into action. Start by setting clear financial goals, creating a budget, and exploring investment opportunities that align with your objectives. Additionally, consider joining financial communities, attending workshops, and seeking advice from financial experts. Learning from others and staying committed to your financial journey is key. In conclusion, the path to wealth begins with education. By reading books like Rich Dad Poor Dad, The Millionaire Next Door, and Think and Grow Rich, you can acquire the knowledge, insights, and strategies needed to transform your financial future. Remember, wealth building is a journey, and it's never too late to start. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more valuable insights on personal finance and wealth building strategies. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.